Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can completely uninstall Anaconda from your Windows PC. So let's start the video. First of all, on your search option here, just type control panel, go to that, and here you can go to install a program option. The program option is here, and search for the Anaconda. Here it is, the Anaconda. Click that and select uninstall, select yes and select continue, and this is the folder that the Anaconda is going to be installed from. I'm going to select next again, select yes and select install. So give it a few seconds to completely install the program from your PC. The installation process is finished. As you can see, it is completed. So I'm gonna click the next and click finish again. The apps is deleted, but there are some folders that we need to delete to completely uninstall the Anaconda from my PC. So to do that, go to this PC option and go to local disk go to user and go to your PC, and after that you can see the Anaconda folder. Select it, right click it and select delete, and here you can see .conda folders. Right click it and select delete again, and after that on the same folder select the view option on top and select hidden items here, and here you can see app data, so a folder will appear here. Select it, go to roaming. Here you can see another .anaconda folder. Do right click it, select delete, and that's it. The Anaconda from your PC is completely uninstalled, and all the files that all the folder that is linked with the Anaconda software is also deleted. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.